Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur Mori and I am an English and SS teacher in Sarjan English Medium School at Nathajuna, and today I am taking English Standard 8. ठीक है. Here we are going to learn about poem The Last Bargain. ठीक है. Unit 4 poem Last Bargain. So very interesting poem this one, so I am going to read now, so please listen carefully. A bargain is an agreement in which both parties and promise to do something for each others. ठीक है. What is meaning of bargain? That is the agreement of the which two peoples, with two parties or two peoples, which is have to follow the promise, and which that particular people have to do same like according to their agreement. Someone is looking for work and waiting to be hired. ठीक है. So here the someone is looking for a work. Someone looking for a work. Some people, any people, one man who want to work. They just looking for a work, waiting to be hired. So he's just waiting for a hire. I am just waiting for a hire. I want to work, and if someone want to work from me, so please hire me so that I can do some work. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. He tried to bargain, he tried to give the commitment agreement, but is all the things is a worthless. That is not hope, worthless. That means there is no hope, and this worthless, useless. He tries twice again, but don't like either. He want to tries again and again, but he don't like to either. Finally, he in the last bargain, when he hired for nothing, whatever he is happy as never before. ठीक है. Finally, he in the last bargain, when he hired for nothing, जो nothing they hired for nothing, and at that time he is happy as never before. He is so much happy at that time when he in the last tried he hired by someone, and at that time he was very happy in his life. He had never happy before. So, what is the bargain and why it is the best? Right. So, what is the bargain? Why it is the best? That over here, right? Here the picture of the man and the child who both are sitting on the beach, right? Seashore, I think. So now we're going to now come and hire me. Come and hire me. That means come and hire me. Then hire me. That means you take someone to you give work to someone. ठीक है. You give work to someone as an employer, and you give him salary or something else. That is called hire. So come and hire me. I cried while in the morning, and I was walking on the stone paved road. ठीक है. He just cried shouting, and when he was walking on the morning, right, in the morning time, on the stone paved road, at that time he was just cried for a work and come and hire me. This kind of situation was going on. Sword in hand, the king came his chariot. So the one king came to him, and that king have a sword in his hand, and in his chariot. The king have a chariot, and he has a sword in his hand. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. The king said that I will hire you, I will give you work, I will give you I will give you work at my at my place, at my palace for with my power. Right. I will hire you with my power. I will give you work with my power. I will hire you with my power. So he just held a hand, that man. He held a hand, and there a poet want to say that when the one king came to him, and he just told him that I will hire you with my power, and you will work for me, like this way. But his power counted for naught, right? So, but his power counted for a naught, and he went away his chariot, right? But his power is not accounted. That he not calculate that. He just did not want to, and finally he just set into his chariot, and he went away. In the heat of the midday, the house stood with the shut door. Right. So in the midday, the house stood with the shut door. The one house was stood at the shut door, and I wander along the crookland. So, poet over here is just wander along the crookland or crookland, which is the area which is along the crookland. And one old man came to poet out with his bag of gold. Right, one old man came to and approached to him, and he just came out with his bag of gold. ठीक है. He ponder and said, he just ponder and said, I will hire you with my money. So that old man said that to him that I would hire you with his money. That this kind of he want to hire him with his gold, with his money. So he weighs his coin one by one. He just weighs his coin one by one, but he turned away. Right. But he turned away. He weighs his coin over and he just turned away. He don't want to his coin all that. Right. It was evening. The garden hedge was all flower. Then evening time the garden has all flower all there. And the fair maid come and out and said, and the one very fair maid come out and said that I will hire you with my smile. So one very fair maid want to hire him with his smile, right? King want to hire with his power. One old man want to hire with his gold and also coin all that, and the one fair maid want to hire him with his smile. But her smile paled and melted into tears. But after the his smile will be melted and fell after the tears when she cry, yeah, when she will be when she will be sad. So that time he has no smile, right? So that it doesn't mean that it's worth it. So that is also worthless for them for that for him also. So and she went back alone into his dark. So he just went back to alone into dark because his smile is melt, right? Now the sun glistened on the stand, and the sea wave broke waveringly, right? The sun totally glistened, shining on the sand, and shining on the shining on the sand, and the sea waves broke waveringly. Sun shining on the sand very shiningly, very brightly, and the wave is very wave with the very waving very slowly, smoothly. A child sat playing with the shells on the picture. You can see the child sat on the playing with the seesaw, right? With the shell. He just playing with shell. He raised his head and seemed to know me. He just raised his hand and seemed to know me and said, "I hire you with nothing. I hire you with nothing." See, nothing he gave. He just tell him that. He told him that to poem. You can say Rabindranath Tagore, that man. Okay, I hire you with the nothing. From henceforward, that bargain, struck in child's play, made me free man. Right? So, when the poet realized that the child want to hire me with nothing, that he will not give me he will not give anything, right? Nothing he will give me with the zero hand. He want to hire me, but at that point, poet realized that with the nothing I will get my freedom. I am free man. I made me a free man. That means he has a right to go anywhere, right? So that is good thing now. So very lovely this poem, this one bargaining. So I hope you got. See here the picture about that man, the child who played with the cell, and the man who want to hire. He just searching for a work, but no one find him. So this is the bargaining. The man want to work, man want to hire, man want to that I want to work and I want to that someone hire me. So king first came. King told him that man I want to hire you with my power, but man not agree, right? Because your power is powerless, worthless. Then in the second page, one old man come with his big bag coin, right? He has a more coin and he want to hire this man with his coin, but that man told to that old man that your coin is worthless. This is not a wage of my work, so I am not want to go with you. I am not want to work with you, right? Then one very fair maid come out, right? One come out, and he just want to hire that man with his smile. He just want to hire that man with his smile, but that man told me your smile will be melted after you will say it, yeah, you will, you will feel bad. That time your smile will be melted. So I don't want to hire with you. I don't want to work with you. I don't want to stay with you. Right. So I'm not going to hire you. Hire to for I don't want to hire right for you. तो ये हो गया. देन आफ्टर फाइनली ही जस्ट जस्ट रीच टू द वन सी शोर कोस्टल एरिया एंड ही जस्ट सो दैट वन चाइल्ड हु सेट प्लेइंग विद द सेल्स एंड दैट चाइल्ड जस्ट रेज हिज हैंड एंड लाइक सेम टू नो मी. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो मुझे जान रहा है. एंड ही सेड मी आई हायर यू विथ नथिंग. मैं तुझे आपको हायर करूँगा कुछ भी नहीं मेरे पास, विद द नथिंग. 0% zero with the zero, and he hired you. And that time the man agree that okay, I will work with you, I will stay with you because I will get a freedom, and with you I am a free man. So that is good for me. So for the freedom, for the for the free mind, just he accepted, and he finally hired with nothing. So this is a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. It's a very prominent man, Rabindranath Tagore. Very lovely poem this one, very interesting. So please, I will send you all the solution right uh, on the WhatsApp. So please write down in your Facebook. After you will get the solution. So I hope you got all points from my side in this poem, right? So next chapter we will continue according to our timetable. Right? So please stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.